This is straight cancer to the gun, dude. That's like asbestos.
Asbestos?
Yeah, you fucking breathe so much of that shit, you fucking start losing your life.
That's bad, right?
Yeah, like there's cancer, lung cancer, and shit like that. This will fucking start giving this cancer. The ring start fucking losing air or start fuck it up. All this dirt and shit. When all you could fucking do is.
Can you hear this?
I can, man. All you gotta do is get one of these bastards. Boom. Let's do it to this bastard right here. Let's clean it. Clean it that shit real quick so it don't build up. Clean it, boom, boom, boom. Bullshit. That's why I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna tell them, hey, these are assigned guns. And whichever one fucks up, you fix it, you'll figure it out. Because you have to be a true badass sider. You can't just fucking expect a gun to always work.
Did you guys get out of jail?
Yeah. You can't expect a gun to always work just because you fucking are hanging it in this company. No. If it don't work, nigga, it's up to us to figure it out because we're the ones who are operating it. So figure your shit out. Learn how to clean a gun. Learn how to make it. How to change fucking O-ring kit. Because we shouldn't have to be paying nobody to do this shit for us. We should be able to fucking order our own products and we should be doing it because that's what fucking a pro does, dude. You don't fucking go, here's my gun. Can you fix it for me? No, nigga, you fix your own damn gun if you're fucking...
Do they tell you?
Huh? No, they don't tell me. They don't need to tell me. They just stop using them. They just throw them to the side. They don't work. Is there any guns that work? I don't know. What the fuck's wrong with it? Oh, they don't work. They're shit, man. They're shit. Yeah, well, you weren't saying that they're brand new, huh? And then I fix it. Dude. This one is not shit at all. This one is somewhat shit. But it still works. I still make it work. I still love the fact that they work. Before they didn't, now they do. From 3 guns to fucking 5, 6 guns in one day. That's good fucking... That's good shit. Because these guns, he would probably went and bought another gun for fucking 400, 300 bucks. Just because those are shit. Or got those fixed. No, hell no, dog. Fucking get your siders to fucking educate themselves on how to clean a gun, or how to fucking take care of a gun and fix a gun. Because we're gonna have a bunch of fucking idiots just shooting when shit happens. Fucking, there's no more guns. Nigga, fix your damn gun that you fucking use. Because it's not your company doesn't mean that you can't fucking fix your own damn gun. Yeah, dude, it's fucking boom. Clean so much. I promise it makes a big difference. I promise it makes a big difference. A little bit of oil. This is just a quick clean too, dude. I do a deep clean. I take it all apart. Okay. Make sure it's clean inside out. Like this bastard right here. All that shit that come out of it. That's why a motherfucker gets jammed. That's why it starts leaking. It started leaking? Oh shit. Take care of your equipment. This is not a fucking joke, man. This is not. Nothing to be played with. This is to be making money. How are you gonna make money when your equipment's not working? You can't make money with nothing.
Emily.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be your gun. You're gonna help me clean, okay?
Dang it.
Not right now. Eat pizza first. Eat your pizza first, okay?
It's okay.
Okay.